So let's drive randomly south from Surigao and see what we can find. So here I go. I'm just going to start driving south. I have no idea where I'm going to end up, but let's go check it out. And for now, just enjoy the ride. Yeah, it's nice countryside out here. Surigao not being a very big city, it didn't take long to get out of town. Rice fields and hills in the background. It's not a hot day, it's a little bit overcast. Beautiful day for a ride. For anyone interested, here's my normal schedule. I usually wake up at about 6:30 and pack my stuff, hopefully get on my motorcycle by about 7 a.m. and I start driving. I don't stop and eat breakfast or anything. I just jump on the bike and I start driving, and I go until I get a little bit tired, and that's usually about an hour and a half, sometimes 2 hours. So that's what I'm doing now, just driving along randomly to see where I get. Yeah, I'm old enough to remember when this was legal in America. Driving in the morning like this, it's not too hot, so yeah, it's a beautiful day. I can tell we're gaining in elevation now. We're starting to go up into the hills. So I'm getting a bit tired and hungry. We're coming into this town called Claver. I'm probably butchering the name because names in the Philippines can be really weird, spelled completely differently than they are. But yeah, here we are in Claver, and let's check out this town. Doesn't look like much right now, it's just a little town, but hopefully there's someplace I can stop and sit and get something to eat and drink for my breakfast. Great news, there's a 7-Eleven. I'm getting some vitamin water and some coffee and some kind of Korean bun and pork rinds. But these aren't pork rinds, they're beef rinds. I guess we're in Mindanao and there are Muslims, so yeah, they have a diversity. Beef rinds. Back on the road, and we're leaving Claver and heading up into the hills, and okay, you can definitely see the mining going on up here. Basically all the tops of the mountains are gone. They do a lot of nickel mining up here. There's huge nickel reserves apparently. They have gold mines as well, but I think nickel is the main thing that they mine up here. And it's a huge industry. There are like 30,000 people employed, or either directly or indirectly by the mines up here. Here's an actual mining camp that I'm looking down on. Yeah, interesting. Okay, Baguio, you're not the only one with pine trees. They got pine trees up here too. So I've randomly ended up in this little town called Cantilan, and I've booked my hotel, and okay, I did some work and I rested for a while, and now I'm gonna go out for a little night adventure, see what this town looks like. So I'm just randomly driving around. It's not a very big town. It's a one Jollibee, no mall town. So not much here. So let's just check it out. It's only about 8 p.m., but everything seems to be closing down. But you know, it's a small town, so I can probably find some place to get some snack. Maybe 7-Eleven. I think they have one. So I ran into this group of people at 7-Eleven and they invited me over to their table. That happens all the time. And yeah, they were pretty cool. They were kind of fun. They were some university students studying criminology and some of their guy friends. They were just hanging out, drinking beer and having snacks and enjoying the evening.
Yeah, it's cool. You have it? No. I never. You can use your cell phone, right? Yeah, it's
When I was going to start my trip, I was going to buy GoPro.
I guess I was there for about 90 minutes. Yeah, we had a nice time. And then they realized I had an iPhone. And for some reason, people are crazy about iPhones here. They're certain that they take amazing pictures. So I had to lend them my phone. Apple has amazing marketing. Okay, time to leave my cheap hotel and hit the road again, but let's do a little day tour this time to get a better feel of Cantilan. See what it looks like in the daytime. Just a cute little town, just mostly residential. I have a feeling everyone here either works for the mining industry or maybe the fishing industry. Thank you, Google Maps, for taking me the wrong way down a one-way street. There's the local school. This is the local university where those girls were studying. You know, if you meet students in the Philippines, they're probably either studying education, criminology, or hospitality management. I mean, those dominate. Okay, there's a waterfall I want to visit, so let's go. First out of town, there's the 7-Eleven over there that I was at last night. And here we go, we're on the main highway. There are some beautiful beaches around here. So I just decided to drive into this random beach resort for no reason at all. Just saw it and decided to drive in. So let's check it out. It looks pretty deserted. Of course, it is pretty early in the morning. It's only maybe 8 a.m. right now. So it's early, but very, very Filipino style. Just some huts to eat, and the beach looks really nice. Just enjoy the view, guys. So this is the road to the waterfall. Here we go. So parked the bike, and I guess I have to walk up these stairs. Oh wow, I can see it. Hope I didn't scratch my lens. Beautiful little waterfall. Nice little river. Yeah. It's still about 9 a.m. now. I'm probably not going to swim, but it would be a great place to swim. This place is deserted. These places are almost always deserted. I can't really figure it out, but there are so many waterfalls, so many places to see in the Philippines. There just aren't enough people to see them all. So after leaving the waterfall, I saw this little cafe. I decided to just come get a snack. Beautiful view up here, nice view of the beach. It's nice up here, very chill. People are very friendly. So I saw this little roadside stall and thought I'd try and get a drink, and they didn't have any, but just check out the view from this place. I mean, look at those little beaches. Amazing. So I'm on my way to my next random destination. Don't really know where I'm going. I'm just still heading south. So enjoy the day, guys, and it's been great sharing my trip with you. So join me on this adventure. Let's go.